how to add the AAC audio codec to BUTT Encoder. Hey everyone, I'm Guilherme from JMV Technology, and today I'll show you a simple step that makes a real difference in your audio streaming with BUTT Encoder. I'm talking about adding the AAC audio codec. For configuring BUTT Encoder for streaming, we'll leave a step-by-step tutorial in our card. We currently offer complete solutions for your radio or web radio with innovative tools that can take your project to the next level. Scan our QR code to learn more. First, let's open BUTT Encoder, open Settings, and go to the audio option. Under Streaming is where we'll select the codec. You can see that when selecting the AAC Plus option, it says the option isn't installed. In this new version, it gives you the option to access the manual. If it doesn't show up, just go to the website. We'll leave the link in the description. Once we open the manual, let's go to the 5th section. Let's click the link in the first option if you're on Windows. For other operating systems, the options are right below. Once we click it, the file will download. Now let's copy the BUTT file path in Windows, paste it in the Windows bar, and open it. Let's grab the file and paste it into the folder. We can see it appears here. Now let's open BUTT Encoder again. If it's already open, just close and reopen it. This way the AAC option can be selected. And that's it. Remember, if you're interested in streaming, course creation, and more, we have our online platform where you can access various classes for free. If you like this, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media.